Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommended to check is your phone or your device what you used with your headphones updated to the latest version. Also, I recommended to maybe restart your audio player. Sometimes it happened with this, so just remove this application from the cache and then open it again, and also check if you have the latest version for this application. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it. Next, we need to check if you have the last software version. So open EDIFIER STAX app and check it. Here I have no information about update because I have the latest software version. Also, what we can do, I recommended to go to the settings in the application at the right top and to multipoint connection and disable it if you have it enabled. Also, if you have Android, I recommended to disable DAC. You need to go to the settings at the right top. I have iOS, so I haven't it, and on the third line you will have something like HD audio codec, I guess, and you enter there and firstly try to disable DAC and then try to enable it. Maybe this one is your problem. Also, I recommended to perform a software set. So at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button between volume control buttons. You just press and hold at this button, and now we turn off these headphones, and after that we need to turn on it. So press and hold the same button again. Here we go. And if this method didn't help you also, the last one I recommended to perform a factory set, and we have two options how to perform it. We can use the application. In the application you also go to the settings and to the factory settings at the bottom. Then you tap at this slider and click confirm, or you can use controls and you need to press 5 times at the Bluetooth button, what also located at the right ear cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect these headphones with a phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you need to or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or as I did, just return and go to the Bluetooth. After factory set, these headphones enter to bring mode automatically, so you just tap at your headphones at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!